Understanding In Stir, Unpacking an English Idiom. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, in stir. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about idioms, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery of this unique expression. In stir is an idiom that originates from American and British slang. It means being in prison. The term, stir, here is a slang word for jail or prison, and when someone is in stir, they are currently serving time in a correctional facility. It's a colloquial way to talk about imprisonment without using formal terms. The phrase, in stir, has an interesting historical background. It's believed to have emerged in the early 20th century. Stir is thought to come from the Romani word, steribin, meaning prison. Over time, it got absorbed into English slang. Understanding the history of phrases like this is important in seeing how language evolves and incorporates elements from different cultures and communities. To better understand how to use in stir, let's look at some examples. 1. After the bank robbery, he ended up in stir for 10 years. Here, it's used to describe someone serving a prison sentence. 2. She's been in stir since 2018. This sentence tells us that the person has been in prison since a specific year. 3. I heard he got caught and is now in stir. In this case, it's used to convey news about someone's imprisonment. Using in stir in various contexts helps you grasp the nuances of its use in everyday conversation. There are several other phrases and synonyms for in stir. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary. For example, behind bars. Literally referring to the bars of a prison cell, this is a common way to say someone is in jail. Locked up. Another informal way of referring to imprisonment. Doing time. This focuses on the aspect of serving a sentence. Incarcerated. A more formal term for being in prison. Knowing these synonyms allows for a varied and rich use of language, especially in storytelling or conversational English. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, in stir. It's a colorful expression with a rich history, adding depth to the way we talk about imprisonment in English. I hope this video has been informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.